Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will make a tutorial to install and create a Grab account. Before I will explain about Grab. Grab, formerly known as Grab Taxi, is a Singapore-based company that provides transportation application and is available in 6 countries in Southeast Asia, namely Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Okay, we just start the tutorial. First, we open the Play Store application. After that, type Grab, then click install. Wait a few minutes. After being downloaded, we open the application. Okay, register first using the telephone number. Okay. Okay, next. Then there will be an SMS code that goes to the number that we have specified. Okay. After the SMS code appears, we type the code, include our full name. Okay, next. After that, email. Okay, email. Any menu choice, you can order food, order Grab cars, motorbikes, and many other. Of course, you will be comfortable and more efficient using Grab. Okay, that's all the tutorial from me. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.